Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi A4 interior trim. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a small flathead screwdriver. It's crucial to protect surrounding surfaces with painter's tape to avoid any scratches. Before you begin, take a moment to understand the types of clips and fasteners that secure the trim pieces. This preparation will make the removal process much smoother and prevent accidental damage to your vehicle's interior. Now let's tackle the door panel trim. Begin by gently prying the trim piece from one end, using your plastic trim removal tool. Work slowly around the edges to release the clips. You might find hidden screws underneath the trim or behind the door handle, so be sure to locate and remove those. If there are any electrical connectors, carefully disconnect them, making a mental note or taking a picture of their original positions for reassembly. Moving on to the dashboard and console trim, always start with the most accessible edge. Apply firm, consistent pressure with your plastic tool to release the clips. Avoid excessive force, as this can easily break the delicate plastic tabs. For console trim pieces, remember to check inside storage compartments or under any rubber mats for hidden screws that need to be removed before prying. Patience is key for a clean removal. When reinstalling your Audi A4 interior trim, carefully align all the clips and tabs with their corresponding slots. Apply gentle, even pressure to snap the trim pieces back into place. Double-check that all screws are reattached and any electrical connectors are securely plugged in. Take your time to ensure everything fits snugly and looks perfect. For more great deals and to grab your little tree's black ice, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.